Hello everyone, I'm really glad to be here, to be in this forum. It's really helpful, it helped me to get what I want, to know about about schools, to know everything, to know about my future, to know what to do, and it really gives everything about schools. How much you study, how much you pay, how much you need to. It's really helpful. It's amazing. I really enjoy it. The weather here is good, and the people here is joyful, helpful. It give you everything you want. I like it very much. I like the school, like University of Mohammed VI of Science, of Health Science. I invite you to come here to know about your future, to know what you